So here we are going to use AI to help us with question number 13 to practice the CSEC math exam practice paper 1A. So the question says, which of the following sets has an infinite number of members? So now I'm using a text-based AI, so I need to explain to AI what I'm looking at. So let us see if AI would recognize that I'm looking at a multiple choice and I want to find the correct answer. So I have to type everything. I've got to type everything here. So I need to type the entire question here. So it says, which of the following sets have an infinite number of members? So I have to tell AI, I have to show AI the sets, okay, A, B, C, and D. It needs to know that because if not, it will not know what I'm asking. So I can't press enter yet. I just have to continue typing A. I wonder will it know the set notation, multiple choice. So I'm going to type everything, I suppose. A, the parenthesis, curly one, odd numbers between 10 and 20. And I put a comma, I guess so. Comma B, prime numbers between 10, 20. And by the way, this is the symbol for a set. One of the symbols for set, the curly parenthesis, the curly brackets. C, factors of 20. And D, multiples of 20. So let us see if AI recognize what asking it. I've been as detailed as possible according to this question because I need to show AI the options. You can say which of the following sets. That's what the question says. So let's see. So apparently AI has recognized the meaning of what I'm asking. So it says the correct option is D, multiples of 20. Okay, we don't even have to verify. There's the option D, multiples of 20. So let's go straight to the explanation. It says a set has an infinite number of members if there is no upper limit to the number of elements it can contain, because the word infinity, infinite, is a very important word in mathematics. Very interesting word, very important word. So there is no upper limit to that particular set. So let's see if it will explain to us why this option has no upper limit. So it goes on to say the set of multiples of any non-zero number, such as 20. 20 is just one example. Any non-zero number, for example, 5, 8, 10, continues indefinitely. And it's very interesting to, when you take a closer look at the word indefinite, it resembles infinite. Okay, indefinite means, and if you take out the DE, infinitely, it continues. Infinitely, indefinitely, never ending. So the multiples of 20 are starting with 20, and then you've got 40, 60, 80, 100, and it just simply continues. So you just keep on adding 20 forever, I suppose. 120, 140, 160, and as it says, there is no last multiple, no upper limit. And then it continues now very elaborately to explain to us why all the options are incorrect. So that is another tactic for multiple choice. You're looking at the options that obviously might not be the answer. For example, A, odd numbers between. So between implies a lower limit and an upper limit. Between 10 and 20. 10 is the lower, 20 is the upper limit. So therefore, now, this set is finite. It has an interval. It has two boundaries, lower boundary, upper boundary. It goes on to say the members are 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19, and that's it. B, prime numbers between. Again, you've got a lower limit and an upper limit. So it does not continue infinitely. This set is finite also. The members are 11, 13, 17, and 19. Prime numbers, numbers that have only two factors. And by the way, all numbers are numbers that are not completely divisible by 2. You always leave a remainder of 1. As opposed to even numbers, which are exactly divisible by 2. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. And see now factors of 20. Factors always begin with 1. All numbers, or whole numbers, integers, etc. Their first factor is 1. And their last factor is themselves. So there's a lower boundary and an upper boundary. There's a lower limit and an upper limit. So it's between 1 and itself. Factor of 20 are between 1 and itself. So again, this is another finite set. The members are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. So the correct answer is multiples of 20, which is D.